Welcome to MRik. We are exciting to announce we have more than 1,000 colors in stock for the wraps. So you see these colors, these are all the samples to choose from. So for now on, if you want a wrap of any color, you can pick and choose. You have to come to our shop at 241 Horton Street, or you can give us a call. We'll give you the color name. But it looks real good in real life if you're gonna step up to the shop and see what exactly suitable for your vehicles. Our interior match with the wrap. A lot of our clients, they like to match the interior with exterior. So we have bunch of different colors. We have a diffuse colors too, glossy colors, matte ones, like more than 1,000 colors. We own, like, for carbon fiber, forged carbon fiber, we already have more than 50 plus different colors, samples, and designs. As you can see from this side, so you can choose the one you want on your car. This everything comes with a different colors: red, blue, purple, and the blue, again the gray. So we have bunch of different options to choose from to make your vehicle a road presence while you're driving on the street. So that's what we specialize for any of the services regarding wrap or tinting thing. We do the partial tints too, on, like, if you want to diffuse your headlights, we do that things. So give us a call, book your appointment. That's what we're starting doing this month, November, and hopefully by starting of next year, we're going to have a bigger inventory than this. But for now being, we start doing the wrap business. Give us a call if you want any of the services done by MRik. On to the next car. All right, guys, so we got this beautiful 2020 Range Rover Velar. It came from other shop. They can't figure out the electric problem on this, and also it needs some regular maintenance. So we provide OEM stuff on this car. We did the services. Now this car is ready for the customer to pick it up and going to be happy, because they got stressed out with the little issues and common Land Rover problems with the newer ones, some coolant problems, some electronic problems, some air ride problems. So if you guys do have any of the problem with the Land Rover, Range Rover, Evoque, or Velar, give us a call at 647-708-1300, or you can just come to our shop at 241 Horton Street. We're happy to help you out, and we'll make sure we'll go with the OEM spec. Next to the car. All right, so here we got the beautiful X3 2011 inline six, and they have a common issue from the top valve noise. And when we see it's one of the loop, cam loop was weared out. So we're going to fix this from the top and stop the oil leak, as this thing have an insane oil leak from this side, and it's dripping down right on the exhaust here, and the customer is smelling like a fuel burning, and also it gives a smoke too while it's on idle. So we're going to fix this. Also, this car needs to get fixed by oil filter housing, which is pretty common on BMWs. So we already ordered the oil filter housing on this one. And the other thing, water pump on this. Two of the coolant line need to get replaced on this one. It's pretty expensive to do all this job at once. So whenever you buy any of the BMWs, we want to charge you a 1 hour labor to inspect it. And this customer already bought it for close to $10,000. And now the another expense is on top. And he don't really in a condition to come with this repair, because he just bought the vehicle. So don't get fooled around by the look of the car. We only charge 1 hour labor to check it up on your complete vehicle. And compression test, bore scope, we also do those. They are the separate ones. If you want to check, some of the people, they like to check their car's health, engine health, with a bore scope and compression test. We do that. So if you guys do want any of those things, hit us up. We're happy to help you out. On to the next car.
guys, so we got this 2017 Jeep Cherokee. It came up from Sarnia. It's 1 hour away from here. They watch our regular videos and they want to inspect the car from us. And we are going to diagnose this car today, as this car have an issue with a gear 3 to 4 slippage. The customer said like they have feel like little slippage in the transmission. So in order to check it out, we need to take out the fluid to check the condition of the fluid, and that's what they trust for. They came from that far, almost 120 kilometers away from here. So we are going to do a tire swap on this, balancing. Also, we're going to check the transmission fluid condition, and if needed, we're going to change it and make sure the transmission going to be well worked on the road, because this pretty new car. It's not that old car. So if you guys do have any of your Jeeps and you don't know you did your tranny fluid or not, you can just come to a shop. We will give you a diagnostic on that thing and let you know, because transmission, if it starts jerking, a lot of the cases, it's gone. You need new transmission, which is going to cost you a couple of grands. So any of your tranny inspections, give us a call or come to a shop, book your appointment. On to the next car. Alright guys, so there's a beautiful Subaru. We got front ball joint, both of the side. That's our regular clients, almost from 3 years. And they got some tickling sound while they hit the pole hole. So now we are just going to make a test drive after installation of both ball joints and see how it goes. As they always complain, like when they hit speed bump or just a sharp left right, they hear a knock from both sides. So on the Subarus, especially 2015, 2016, they have a common problem with the front end ball joints, suspension. So we already did a couple of things on this car before on suspension, and we just did the tire swap last week, and they got this problem we noticed, and they want us to replace the front, and we already fixed everything. Now we're just going to make a test drive with those speed bumps and check if they still have the same problem or everything is fixed. The coolest thing about the Subaru is any Subaru you bought it, it's a four-wheel drive. So the Storm you see outside right now, you can beat the shit out of it with any of the Subarus. They are the best with the all-wheel drive cars. They only comes all-wheel in Canada. I don't know about the US, but in Canada, every Subaru car, it's all-wheel drive, which is one of the best car to drive in Canada. And it's a most reliable car with a price range like anybody can afford. They're like literally their car starts from 27 plus taxes. That's what they write it outside of the dealership. But yes, it's cheaper, and it's a Japanese. So see, right now it's all snow on the road, and this car is driving like super fast, no problems, no traction problems, no skiddings. It's fine. If I try to drive my Golf on this one, it's gonna be skid till now. So it's better if you have a all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive car in the summertime, wintertime, especially this kind of storms. So yeah, we make that test drive. We hit some poles, speed bumps, and everything seems to be fine. And it's going to be ready for the customer to pick it up by end of the day. Because our customer, they work across the street, and anytime anything happens to their car, they just drop it off in the morning when they start the work. That's the big beneficial of our clients, because the downtown area is more secured by the job people from 9 to 5. So any like our neighbors, a lot of other customer who are across the street, beside the street, next street, they just drop it in the morning, and they got feel free to pick it up end of the day, and we make it happen. So same thing with this client. The car is ready. We are just going back to the shop, and we are going to hand over this car to our customer. Move to the next car. The first, second, or third. That's the fourth car in a month from other shop. They gave up on the car. This car have an issue with power draining while it's parked. It's a 2008 X5 3-liter, notoriously famous for the modules drained out because the system stays alive. So MRik Auto is going to take a diagnostic on that. And when we figured out, the first thing on this was the battery.
So we request the customer to change the battery because the battery was under warranty. We don't like to put the batteries if your battery is under warranty. You have to do it by yourself. So after replacing that thing, we are going to check what's going on, why this thing is keep on draining the battery. And for next clients, if you guys do have same problem in your any of the German car, feel free to give us a call at 647-708-1300. Or you can just come to our shop at 241 Horton Street. We'll happy to help you out. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.